Displaying layers, view configuration. The display attributes of all layers are configured in the View Configuration panel. To open the panel, click the panel's button at the bottom right of the application window, then select View Configuration from the menu, or select the View, select Panel, click View Configuration menu, Entry, or press the L shortcut or click the current layer, the LS icon, the red LS icon at the bottom left of the design space. Then, the layer display state and color setting. The View Configuration panel also gives access to other display settings that would include color and visibility of system colors, such as the selection of color or if connection lines are visible, how each type of object is displayed, solid or draft, and its transparency, such as object visibility section. Also have various view options, such as if the origin marker, pad net names, and pad numbers are to be displayed.